गाइस, तो फिर कैसे हैं आप? बढ़िया होंगे। तो फिर आज हम कंटिन्यू करने जा रहे हैं पोकेमोन टीम रॉकेट एडिशन। एंड और गाइस, सॉरी कि इतने देर बाद आज मैंने आज वीडियो बनाया है। तो चलो पहले जल्दी से प्रोग्रेस करते हैं। तो चलो चलो मिनट। चलो इट कांट गेट एनी वर्स। तो चलो, तो फिर लास्ट टाइम तो फिर हमने ना लास्ट टाइम में हमने एक फॉसल लिया था। मैं फॉसल लिया था मैंने। हाँ, मैंने फॉसल लिया था। तो फिर उसके बाद हमको अपने एडमिन को इन्फॉर्म करना है कि हमने फॉसल ले लिया है। ये मिनट। चलो तो फिर गाइस, तो फिर मैं लो वॉल्यूम में इसलिए खेल रहा है क्योंकि मेरी आवाज़ तो आई नहीं है थी। सो चलो 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 हमने हाई एंग फ्रैंक को अपना फॉसल दिखा दिया। मे बी यू नॉट एज यूजलेस एज आई थॉट। With this one, that's 3 fossils, enough to wrap up the vision. Calling up all mountain moon mission guards. The mission is over. Come back to the gathering point. Perfect. I'm rushing the others arrival so I can find another fossil. Get moving, guard, and watch what you carry. चलो तो फिर अब क्या करना है? एक मिनट। तो फिर अब क्या करना है फिर? Get back to the gathering point, gut. I better not have to repeat myself. अच्छा, तो फिर gathering point में मैं यहाँ पे होगा गैदरिंग पॉइंट। हाँ, यही होगा। Lost something here, Rocket. Really, now you're getting forces and now you got one right there. Aha. These rockets are some easy suckers, aren't they? If I handle things at a score a second fossil. Hey Rocket, I'm offering you a deal. That over there is a healing fossil, the image of Omiante, an ancestor Pokemon that was lived 300 million years ago. You wanna make a quick dose? Let's bet our forces for other winner takes all. What do you say? Do you have a deal? I expect no less of a rocket. Yet Allah Jack is The winner takes home both fossils. Now leave your was next to mine to steal the deal. And there's your fatal mistake. My Pokemon will never fall to some middling gut like you. Thanks for dropping the dove fossil right in my lap. How good. Because of you, I go home today with both the dove and Helix fossil. चलो चलो इससे मैं विंग अटैक को डिसेबल कर दिया, तो कोई बात नहीं। वोल्टोर्ब, चलो ये इलेक्ट्रिक टाइप है तो फिर डेक से काम चल जाएगा। चलो चलो फिर गया। चलो कोफिंग, हमारे पास तो टाइप एडवाइजर्स कोई नहीं, पर कोई बात नहीं, हम इससे काम चला लेंगे फिर। चलो एक और, चलो ये गया फिर। अब This was supposed to be under control. भाई अंडर कंट्रोल तो हुआ नहीं तैसे। You know ordinary rocket. I hate it when some scrub goes around defying stats about the fossils. Calling up evil. A dangerous terror just turned up. He beat us effortlessly and is handed towards you. Protect the fossils with your life. Repeat. Protect the fossils with your life. That's an order. चलो ये कोड हो सकता है। अरे बाप रे याड, बाप रे याड। चलो देखते हैं, इस बच्चे को तो हरा सकते हैं हम, इस बच्चे को हरा सकते हैं। 32 लेवल क्या? ये भगवान अब इसको कैसे मारेंगे? 32 कैसे? चलो भाई हार मान लेते भाई। वैसे भी मेरे पास था एक ज़ूबैट और एक फयट, मेरे से फिर तो भी थोड़ा सा तो डैमेज कर सकते हैं, उससे थोड़ा सा फास्टर भी है। चलो भाई गया, हम गए भाई। अब इस बंदे से हम सामना नहीं कर सकते भाई। ये तो फिर यहाँ पे हमें मरना नहीं था। यहाँ पे मरना नहीं था। जाओ 2 मिनट। God evil, where the heck are you? Get back here right now. You have to give me a good explanation for what just happened. वाह मतलब कि यही हमको मरना ही था हमें। चलो तो ये आ गया द बोल्ट। चलो You got some guts standing up again. You were given a mission. And evil. Protect the fossils with your life, and you failed spectacularly. Got anything to say for yourself? You had 2 fossils, and you got fooled by some science geek. Just 2 in the end, lose against the mysterious trainer. Your incompetence is astounding. I recommend Petter your immediate dismissal. An incompetent fool like you doesn't deserve a place in this organization. Sorry for interrupting, sir. HR Frank, but I see the evil fighting and it is not as weak as you think, sir. That's dead. Each organ who fought against him was defeated. So it'd be totally unfair to punish evil for that. We still have two forces. In the end, it's all their plan. We ain't judging his level as a trainer under, but his lack of cunning and intelligence in the movement to overcome the situation. You should have snagged the forces and fled with the escape immediately after receiving my mission, instead of sticking it out to get slapped around like a fool, especially after being warned of his astounding skills, not to mention how you ignored the scientist who ultimately tricked you. That shady pig must have got away with one of the fossils. You become the class count, even your negligence is gonna cost us like 6,000. Do you have any idea that the projects could be funded with that amount? What? Are you telling me the rocket's order code says that we should flinch never in front of the enemy door free, and that will be seen as weakness and lack of values, and that we should be beaten that trader altogether? This is outrageous. I don't need some backward noob to talk to me about the rocket order code. You regret mentioning it. People like you need to be taught some hard lessons. After this, I would care about your Pokemon team shake. तो फिर हम अपने ये लोगों से लड़ना पड़ेगा भाई. चलो भाई, इसके पास डाटा, ये हाई लेवल है पर इसके पास स्टेल डाटा है. वाह, ये क्या है? अच्छा थोड़ा सा डैमेज भी करते हैं. क्विक अटैक. चलो भाई, इसके 3 मेंबर्स है, इसके 3 पोकेमॉन है शायद. अच्छा ये फैट यूज करते हैं फिर. चलो फैट एटिकेट. ये थोड़ा सा ये प्रॉब्लम में होगा. हाँ, थोड़ा सा टैंकी होगा ये हवा फैट. चलो भाई, दिखा दे कमाल. चलो ऐसे देख दो. चलो भाई, होने वाला है. चलो बस ऑन द स्टोरी सर. चलो सर्फ यूज करते हैं. सर्फ. चलो सर्फ. यार बस कोई मरना मत. चलो भाई, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था पर हमने मार दिया इसको. एक्केड ये फास्ट होगा ये एक्केड से नहीं होगा पर देखते हैं फिर. हाँ, ये फास्ट था. मैंने इसके लिए समटाइम्स रिस्क भी लेना होता है गाइस. चलो भाई, गया ये बंदा हाई लेवल. इसकी टीम तो क्या निकम्मे थे सारे टीम्स. Me, a high rank defeated by a no-name guard. भाई चल निकल फिर. This is inadmissible. Enough. The wish is over. Your balance is down to fossils. You'll be held accountable by Petal. So present yourself to him in the Route 5 base, and there you'll be giving your next mission. Smoke bomb, go. Wow, you see that everyone was just concerned. High-level Franks and downright notorious for hazing the newbies, but you held your ground and faced him head-on. Aren't going to get a hold of that mysterious trader. Does he have a chameleon? Looks like we got ourselves a tough crowd here. You better train us so that kid won't take us down, or like today. But what Peter say? Specs probably smeared you in the report, so you better share your side of things in the courtcase. Quick. But calling up guards under. Get here, sir. What is it? You are given a mission alongside 6 guards. Depart for Vermilion City immediately. Details will be provided on the way. Is Evil there? Roger that. Yes, Evil is here, sir. Tell him I want him in my office. Is that now? You're dismissed. Well, you heard it. Looks like our missions are different this time. Relax here. I don't think you get expelled. You know how to fight. We all seen it. Next we met, I hope your team is unrecognizable, but you know, mind me, he will effort soon. See ya, Koro Island Combat. चलो तो फिर वर्मिलियन थोड़ा सा देख भी लेते हैं यहाँ पे। मैंने यहाँ पे तो मैंने देख लिया यार मैं माइक दी का कॉल है वैसे फिर। चलो फिर यूट 5 में जाना है। उठाया तो था मैंने फिर नहीं दी। Better wants me in his order. Where exactly am I off to? मेरी दीदी बोली फिर अच्छा देखे में जाना था देखे में सॉरी ये देख Sorry, but Team Rocket doesn't allow their own Pokemon inside the bases. Here, hope you get it. Visible outline of a trapdoor here leads to an underground area. Do you want to enter the Rocket base? Gertier, we got a word on a performance about a mood. Order. Hi, Young Guns Frank. Young Gut Frank's already told me his side of the story. How he would got 2 more fossils in the world. Do you have any idea how much money that is even? The projects and resources we fund with that. I could leave you to rot in prison long enough for you to think about what you did. Or worse, I couldn't just expel you from Team Rocket altogether. But that's it, maybe the leader of the mission's a rough and impatient sort. Maybe he's lost his objectivity and importance in a situation like this. It's not every day that average girl faces down their superior and comes out on top. Either you're incredibly brave or incredibly stupid, or both. So, let's find out. I got a mission for you. Let's see how far your bravery as a trader and that rocket code of honor it takes you. But before you have to take responsibility for your poor performance. or at the last visit. You should know the value of the fossils. Also, you lost is like 600 you'll be black marketing. So you'll be forking over each minus one you got right now. Like this, you give Team Morgan part of the potential profit. Agreed? You have nobody. A fair price for a second chance? No. Oh, I promise you that this mission's success means you never want for cash ever again. Since pulling it off means slashing operational cost across the board. We be using 1,000,000 sport as the lifeline between Kanto and Kono Island. However, Kanto's pigs been snooping and bribing sailors to import goods into Kono Islands. तो फिर मैं बाद में आया फिर